Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix keyboard automatically typing on its own in Windows 11, 10. First method is change accessibility option. Second method is use on-screen keyboard. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is uninstall keyboard driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.